Advocates say Detroit has some of the worst air quality in the nation, which is why Just Air Solutions and Wayne County will install at least 100 air quality monitors throughout several neighborhoods. The monitors will provide people air quality updates in real time through an app.
You ask the children to raise their hands of who have asthma, and you get more than half of the class.
Teresa Landrum says she's been an air quality advocate in Southwest Detroit for the past 30 years.
Carbon emissions, sulfur dioxide, particulate matter, PM10, 2.5, that's vital because it's all in this air. So to be here today for this announcement, somebody's finally listening.
You can visit justair.app to monitor your area's air quality today. Darylyn Horn, WWJ News Radio 950. And there will be at least 100 air quality monitors throughout several neighborhoods. The project launched today by Just Air Solutions, a Detroit-based environmental company that will provide the monitors and real-time air quality data through an app.
We take on average 20,000 breaths per day.
The company's CEO, Darren Riley, says this will ensure residents know when they're breathing in clean air and when to take preventative measures.
But now that we're more aware, we can do things to help mitigate that. So that can be an N95 mask. That could be just maybe postponing football practice if the air is super unhealthy for our children.
Advocates say Detroit has some of the worst air quality in the nation. You can visit justair.app to monitor your area's air quality today. Darylyn Horn, WWJ News Radio 950.